Let's get into this one. Saturdays hit different. There's no rush signal in the air, no prove it energy, no pressure to explain yourself. That's not fucking laziness. That's the point. Saturday is ruled by Saturn, and Saturn is the planet people misunderstand the most. They call it restriction, they call it punishment, they call it heavy. But Saturn is actually about structure, boundaries, discipline, responsibility. What holds over time? Saturday doesn't ask you to do more. It asks you to own what you already chose. This is the day where reality checks in. There's an alarm in the background. Don't know if you hear it for confirmation. If you woke up today wanting to be alone, craving quiet, feeling serious or reflective, thinking about consequences, not what's working versus what's not, you're not depressed. You're just on Saturn time. Saturn rules discipline, boundaries, time, responsibility, maturity, and long-term stability. Saturday shows you what's solid and what's been held together by fucking avoidance. This is not a day to escape, not the day to numb, not the day to pretend everything's fine. Because Saturn doesn't care about vibes. Saturn cares about fucking results. So what should you actually do on a Saturday? Simplify, clean, organize, declutter, rest without guilt. Listen to your body, check in with yourself, set boundaries, review commitments. Ask, is this sustainable long term? We're talking long-term goals, not short-term. Saturday is a maintenance day. If something feels heavy today, it's usually because it needs structure, not motivation. If something feels calm, that's because it's already aligned. Saturn isn't here to punish you. He's here to make sure your life doesn't collapse later. No rushing, no shortcuts, no fucking pretending. Just responsibility to yourself. When you learn to work with energy, you could start harnessing it to work for you versus fucking fighting it. We learn to flow here. And it will flow. A certain song just popped into my head. I don't know the artist, but it's from my clubbing days. I'm gonna see if I can find it, if it's on here, and I'm gonna attach it. If not, I'm just gonna write the name and the artist over on the screen. If you made it this far, show some love. Where is this hitting? You know, I'm over here in Jersey if I'm newly just dropping up on your feed. I am the garden chef from the Garden State. That's why we got all the, plant love up here. Which if you like plant gear, go check out the link in my bio. Get some 420 merch, shameless plug. We got to support ourselves around here. You know what I'm saying? 313, what's up, Dad? On that note, I'm going to end this one. Come back for what else I come back with.